In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Canva designs into reusable templates. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering this feature will streamline your workflow and make collaboration easier. First, locate the Share button, usually in the top right corner of Canva. Clicking this opens a suite of sharing options, your gateway to distributing your design to collaborators, clients, or anyone who needs to see your work. Next, click on See All to reveal the full menu of sharing settings. From here, you can send links directly, integrate with other apps, and explore all ways to distribute your design. If you're on Canva Pro, there's an additional feature, the template link. Selecting this allows you to turn your design into a reusable template for yourself or others. Click Create Template Link. This transforms your current design into a template that can be reused multiple times, helping maintain brand consistency or enable collaborative projects. Finally, click Copy to duplicate your template link. You can now paste this link in emails, chat messages, or project management tools, making your design easily accessible and editable for others. And that's it. By following these steps, you've learned how to share your Canva designs efficiently and create templates that save time and simplify collaboration.